In this series of videos, Arduino for Physics, I will show you how to use the Arduino microcontroller to learn physics. You are going to see what is a microcontroller. We are going to install the Arduino, and we are going to write and run your first program. So what is a microcontroller? You could think of like your computer. If you press and you have a Windows computer right now, and you press Ctrl Alt Delete, and you go to the task manager, you are going to see how many processes are running in your computer right now. And that's a CPU. You can see this is the main chip in your computer. In the case of the Arduino, is the ATmega something chip that you can see here in the picture. But in your motherboard in the computer, there is a chip that is way more powerful than this chip. So these are processes that are running right now. I have the PowerPoint presentation open. I have 15 Chrome web pages open. I have the task manager open. Is this window over here. And these are all the processes that are running right now. Some are running in the background that you are not even aware of. Okay, a microcontroller, you could think is like a CPU, it's like a computer, but that is able to run only one task. So if you open the task manager of your Windows computer, you see hundreds of tasks, if not thousands. But the microcontroller is able to run only one task. We are going to go to the web page www.arduino.cc, it's not .com, and you are going to click over here where it says software, and I will take you from there. So open www.arduino.cc. So as you can see, I'm over here on the web page. Again, the website is arduino.cc, it's not .com. You go to software, downloads, and you are going to open, if you have your personal computer, you will have the administrator credential of the computer. You are going to open this installer, this one here, the Windows installer. However, if you are using the school computer, or it's a computer that you don't have the administrator password, you are going to click and download the zip file. So you click over here, and we are going to go from there to extract that file. Okay, so if you go to the downloads folder, you are going to see like Arduino 1.8.13 Windows. If you click over here, you're going to extract, and you are going to put it, I personally like to put it on C. So you go to this drive. It's going to be physically here on my hard drive. Select folder, extract, and it's going to take a couple of minutes. Now you go to the C drive, and you're going to see the folder over here. And to run the Arduino, you just click the one that says Arduino applications. Let me delete this because this is the one I was explaining. And it opens something like this. This is the Arduino application. The important thing, and that's the issue many times, is that you are not able to connect to the Arduino board that you connect via USB. So if you see over here the port is not dark, it could be, one thing is that you are not connecting the board, and worse than that is that you are not able to see the board even though it's connected. So now I'm going to connect the board. And you see that detected the port 4, and that's where I connect. So usually people have big screens, so I'm going to increase the font for 2 reasons. It's better for your vision, and second, it's better for you to see what I'm doing. So go to preference, and I will put the font size to be 24, and this is what Arduino opens by default, and I'm going to save this file, save as, and I will call it first program. Save it. I will let you know what is being saved. And you have these 2 functions. The void means that the function returns nothing, and the loop function. When I was talking about that Arduino executes one task, only one task, that task is over here on loop. And you could think that the CPU in your computer has several loops running at the same time. And think of the Arduino that is a CPU like a computer, but it's able just to run one task. And setup is the function that you use to set up. For example, if we are going to use the screen, print something out on the screen, you put serial, begin, and then you say how fast you want to put the bytes into the screen. And then if you put serial print line, and you just put the famous hello world. I will explain to you what this is later on. For now, just copy them like there. And you click this to compile. That's to verify that you don't have a mistake. For example, if you forgot to put this semicolon over there and you verify or compile, you are going to get an error that is expected a semicolon over there. Now, if this code has no errors, you are going to verify it, and you're going to see that says done compiling over here at the bottom, and everything is fine. And when you click this one, you're going to transfer that code into the Arduino. So this is not running in your computer. The code is going to run in the Arduino. So you click and you are transferring that code into the Arduino. And now if you press, you go to Tools, Serial Monitor, that is Ctrl-Shift-M. You just click over here, and this window pops out, and that is the text that you asked it to print. But as you can see, it only printed once. So anything that you put on setup is executed once. Now, if you copy this line, and paste it over here, and delete it from here, and upload that code now, you are going to see that now is printing forever and ever in the screen. Let's close this, and let's delay this 1 second. That's a function that we use. The argument in delay is in microseconds. So if you put 1,000 microseconds, 1,000 milliseconds, that is 1 second. So delayed, you put milliseconds over here. If you delay 1,000 milliseconds, that is 1 second, and run it again. And now you see that is putting that every 1 second. So this is just coding. We are not doing any hardware with the board yet. This is just to show you that it's working, that you installed Arduino, and now you are going to start in the next videos, you are going to start doing hardware. You are going to connect LED lights into the Arduino, and you are going to manage and control those LED lights from software from here. That's what is going to be next in the videos.